you take the back two to that right hand side. Just watch your step forward. You get buffalo shoes. Just watch your step forward.
I don't want to sit.
Left or right?
That's mom.
Oh, man. Alright, folks, to get buckle for me. Y'all are seated. Once you are buckled, go ahead and tug the tail ends of those seatbelts. Nice hand side for you.
Hello?
It should be.
What if I want to fall out?
Oh my god. Okay, make sure you
Mom, you have your own. That's yours. This is yours.
There shouldn't even enough to lace.
And there's one for me right here.
You said mom doing it. Yes. On both sides.
Alright, my friends in the back here, we're going to seatbelts a quick tug on that tail end. So you see there, nice and tightly fastened. Next one, my friend back here as well. Yeah, my friend back here, ready to get the seatbelt nice and tight.
No. That put it stuck in my car.
I wonder why. Come on from back here, so you see the birthday lift. Go quick tug.
What, you don't want to get right?
We're going up.
My phone.
I know, after I already sat down, I
Have fun out there, y'all.
Thank you.
Bye.
After I sat, I was like, oh, I should have pulled my skirt up.
The street is so wet. It's already wet. Now you can get more.
I have bad news for you
Do my
guys.
feet stay dry up here?
No. I got wet from the rain. But the last time we were
It's part of the go.
we all walked off the road.
What are you worried about, the drop?
Yes. What about?
I'm not telling you.
See, look, this one.
You can go get on the other one, too.
Okay. Double
Kim, there is a drop. Kim, there is a drop. That's why she's not telling you.
This one's not, it's not a drop. It's not a drop. It's not a drop.
Thank you.
I wouldn't even call it a hill. Like, it's like a lower class hill. I know. It's like
It
this.
looks like a little girl.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I'm sorry, I was thinking the wrong ride. Yeah, there's a big hill. There's a big hill. Yeah, look. Hey, just remember, okay? The exit is at the same height as the entrance, and so we gotta come back down somehow.
You'll be all right.
It's probably not gonna be all at once, but I don't know. I've lied once already.
I'm just kidding, don't do that.
Hey. And you guys are gonna end up at the bottom? Yes.
We gotta go. Oh, we gotta go back.
No, look for real now. Hey,
Oh my god. I'm not bad. That's not bad. That is not bad.
Yeah, there you go. We waited an hour for that. He took a shirt.
Yeah, huh? You scared.
Oh, we going backwards again.
So what? That's why they kind of just turn.
They did come in and shake it. Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah. Oh, I don't know at all. Oh, come on now.
Yeah. That was nice.
I'm not bad.
Turn that way.
And then you got them over here, they're dry as a bone.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, wait.
Oh my God.
Sounds
Please,
good.
I just
Yeah, big old way, come on, way.
Thank you.
Yeah, I know.
You don't get on here with a raincoat. That beats the purpose.
No, people do that.
Yeah, I know. I've seen them.
We had to ride with ponchos on our last one. Everybody was there.
Funny. Pull it down a little bit. Yeah. That beats the purpose.
Oh, God.
Yeah, aim or not?
When you go out the bridge, button.
Yeah.
Button.
Yeah. As it comes
So
down.
once you got to have all the fun here,
That's what the elephant right there.
you have the rest of it there.
Okay. I'm not that wet.
Okay then. You wasn't in the way we got wet with. Your whole way came our way.
Yeah, it came up real high.
Yeah. You want to go down one now?